In my business, I use video a lot. I have a weekly video blog post, I do online video classes, and I get the question over and over again, Alexa, how do you do your videos? Do you script everything out? Well, I'm here to tell you I use thought bubbles. So what are thought bubbles? Well, many people think of thought bubbles like bullet points, like things that you want to say, very clear information points. But to me, there's so much more than just information points. They are key ideas that are infused with thoughts and feelings, specificity, and stories. That's what a thought bubble is. And when you can articulate your points in thought bubbles, they're like you're taking your journey, you're taking your viewer on a little journey. So I'm going to make this point, which is infused with all these juicy details. Then I'm going to transition to this point, my second thought bubble. And then I'm going to finally transition to this point. I'm taking people through a story, 1, 2, 3. But it's not information, it's again infused with energy and specificity and joy and details, juicy thought bubbles. Now, I know for many people this thought can be a little intimidating because it might be a little bit different. And they say, no, I like to script things out. Well, by all means, I say you should script them out. There is a place for you to synthesize your ideas in the written word. So sit down and write everything that you want to say in a script. But then, instead of memorizing it, I want you to extract those thought bubbles or key points that you want to make and put them down in a paper, and then more importantly, shred that script. It is critical that you let go of the script and take the plunge. Why? Because that brings me to my third point. You need to play. You need to be in that moment, connected to what you want to say through your thought bubbles, but with the freedom to be creative. Whether you're in front of a room full of people and you want to respond to the audience, or you want to give yourself freedom to use different words, you want to come at that thought bubble a different way. There's no one right way to do it, but you want to give yourself the freedom to make different choices in the moment. Believe me, your audience will appreciate that, even if they're just on the other side of that lens. Because in real life, that's how we communicate. The minute you put a script between you and your audience, they're going to feel like there's something artificial, that there's something blocking you from truly connecting with them. Because communication is like a dance. And when you can be prepared, but be prepared from the sense of these thought bubbles, you are going to inspire your audience and take them, as I said, on that journey with you. Clearly illustrated, very juicy and detailed thought bubbles, but again, without the restrictions that absolutely a script will place on any conversation. Try it. Take the plunge. You will be so happy that you did.